morning and welcome to Urban Update. I am Alberto Vasallo. Byron Barnett continues on assignment covering the Aaron Hernandez trial. Make sure you follow 7 News for in-depth coverage with Byron. Now on the show this morning, a unique opportunity for employers and job seekers up in the Merrimack Valley. And also on the program, an organization committed to helping first-generation college students stay in college. And finally, a professor, clinician, and a book author who is challenging conventional approaches to treating patients with trauma. But up first, when Walter Ramos became president and CEO of Dorchester House Multi-Service Center, now Dothouse Health, nearly 3 years ago, he was told upon his arrival the community health center was in need of an invigoration in order to realign with the demands of a changing healthcare landscape in the United States. Walter quickly focused on the patient experience and revenue stream, and today Dothouse Health is well underway in its effort to adjust to the challenges it found itself presented with and is now, good news, operating in the black. The next challenge for Walter, a Cape Verdean and Boston resident, is orchestrating the rebranding of this Boston institution. To tell us more about his plans, we now welcome the president and CEO of the Dothouse Health, Mr. Walter Ramos.
Thank you, Alberto. Thank you for having me here this morning.
I think that it's safe to say that Urban Update is the first media outlet to officially call it the Dothouse Health.
You've got that right, and we're really proud of our name and our change. You know, we've been in the Dorchester community for over 127 years. We began as a settlement house, and our history was that we were there to assist newcomers to Boston. We were there to assist immigrants. And we have continued with that as the basis of our operation. We care for everyone who has moved into our neighborhood looking for health care, looking for assistance in all sorts of ways, whether it's doing their tax returns or for recreational activities. We have a pool and a gym, but our primary purpose is to provide health care for the people who live in Dorchester.
Yeah. And you said you've been doing it now for over 130 years, right? So you'd be surprised how many of our viewers have gone through the programs and through different services. So for those who have not, how would you describe its new mission and vision?
Dorchester House has taken the approach of caring for people through their whole life cycle. And that means that as a youngster, we have pediatric care for our youngest patients. We have adult care. We have women's health. We have a dental clinic. We have an eye clinic. We are a holistic approach to healthcare. So it's one shop healthcare.
One-stop shopping.
One-stop shopping.
Yeah.
Healthcare for individuals in the Dorchester community and surrounding communities. It's also a place where people can gather for physical activities such as gym and pool, but it's a place where it's a center of a community for everything that community represents. No matter what your income is, no matter what language you speak, we are there to provide support, health care in an institution that wants to support you to grow.
Yeah. Now, a little while ago, a couple seconds ago, we saw the new signage that's going up. Because I kind of want to go over this again because it is now Dothouse Health. You made a conscious effort to rebrand, and I know later this month it's the official unveiling. We're looking at kind of the signage now. But why did you decide to rebrand it?
Well, after 127 years, we thought we really needed a name that represented what we do. And our primary purpose is healthcare. And multi-service center, being on Dorchester Avenue, could be a multitude of different things. And there are very important businesses that it could have been. It could have been a multi-service center, a gas station for all intents and purposes. We needed to say what we are, that we're a healthcare facility. And Dothouse Health, and Dothouse has been our nickname for many, many years.
Well, I was going to say that because we have a young assignment editor here, and her mother grew up in Dorchester. She was very excited to find out you were coming because she said, well, we've been calling it the Dothouse. I think Jeanette is the mother of Tiara. We've been calling it the Dothouse for years.
So we are recapturing what the neighborhood has called us and also capturing the services that we provide. So putting health in our name and combining that with what they have called us as a nickname in the neighborhood just seemed to be the right approach. In Dorchester House Multi-Service Center just seemed to be too long of a name in 2015.
Yeah. Now, this all is going to coincide with an $8 million capital campaign, right?
That's correct.
What does $8 million buy you nowadays?
Well, it actually buys you an awful lot. Because we're such a large medical center and we have so many different clinics within our center, we know that the demand for our dental chairs, for example, is more than what we have space for now. So this $8 million campaign is an opportunity to expand our dental clinics, to expand our exam rooms where people will have a shorter waiting time, and that we'll be able to move patients through in a more efficient manner and provide service to so many who are in need of health care in Dorchester.
Well, you know what? I wish you all the best. I'm sure you'll be back during the year and show us some pictures of some of the opening. And wish you a lot of luck there.
Thank you, Alberto.
A lot of luck. I know you've done great work. My daughter Alex was there before your time. She's 60 now, so about 11 years ago she was there and had a wonderful experience.
Terrific. We hear those stories all the time.
I can imagine.
Keep them coming.
All right, absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you, Alberto.
All right. Now, last week, over 40 employees in the region participated in the 11th annual Latino Career Expo held in downtown Boston. This free job fair connected companies looking for diverse talent with a wide range of career seekers from the area's Latino community. Now let's take a quick look at what participating employers had to say about the need for diversifying corporate Boston.
This is a fantastic fair. To me, it looks like there's probably hundreds and hundreds of people here, which is a fantastic opportunity for not only us, but all of these other employers to hopefully find the talent that they're looking for, create an opportunity for equitable career, and it's just beautiful. Love it.
It's been great. There's been so many great people here looking for opportunities. We have a lot of opportunities within our corporate office for multicultural people, international. We're in 60 countries now, and we have offices all over the globe. So it's great for us to be here and find some people that are really interested in our expansion.
We've spoken to a lot of excellent candidates, very diverse group of folks in finance, looking for sales positions, customer, engineering, a lot of students. So it's been a really good turnout, and it's wonderful.
I just went to an event the other day that was talking about the majority of the population of Latinos is South and West, but there is a huge population here in the Boston. We are a melting pot of people, and there's people from all walks of life in Boston, as we know from our corporate office as well as our consumers. So we really need to mirror that.
Okay, when we return, one of the employees who was also at the Latino Career Expo and is having its own similar event. All the details when we return right here on Urban Update.